Alright, so our project today is going to be a change of starter rope on a 1984 15 horsepower Evinrude. I've got this baby running good, as you can see on some previous videos. So now I'm going to change the rope, and I'm going to show you how to do it without removing the rewind starter. Doing it with the rewind starter in place, and I'm going to show you using a T-mic trick. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the rope all the way out and then try to hold it in position where we can change the starter rope, and we're going to use the T-mic trick. Just take you a 1 by and trim it down to an edge right here, and once we get the rope pulled out, we'll jam it under the gear to hold it in place. Here we go. Now, I can see the end of the rope. I have it stationary, it's not gonna move. And I can see the end of the rope down in there. So all we're gonna do, take a pair of needle nose and pull the rope back through. The knot is holding it in. And there it is. There's the rope. And I'm gonna cut the knot off. Pull the rope through. There's the old rope. Now we're gonna put the new starter rope right here, which is a 5/32, part number 077257. So I'm gonna just feed the rope through and show you how to get the right amount of length. Lay out a bunch of rope. Now I'm gonna try to feed it, thread it through the hole that the rope came out of. Once I get it started, I'm gonna use my fancy little pick to push it through. Okay, now we got her fished through. Just thread her through the eye. Measure out the same length of rope. Cut it right here. I'm not gonna cut her, I'm gonna make a mark. Pull it back through to my mark. Then I'm gonna cut it. And I'm gonna burn the end. So it doesn't fray. Tie a knot. center end. And I'm gonna put my handle. Yeah, if T-Mike did it right, I ought to be able to release my pry bar, and it ought to suck it all back in, and it does. Beautiful. Perfectly done. That's how you change a starter rope on a 1984 15 horsepower. If you like my video, please click on subscribe. I promise to do weekly videos to help you guys service and repair and restore your motors. Au revoir mes amis, laissez les bon temps rouler.